यूट्यूबर हूँ तो इसलिए थोड़ा पार्ट टाइम करते हैं। ट्रैवल ब्लॉग्स में मत आओ। ट्रैवल जैसे ही कुछ सोचे, मैं कैब में ही ब्लॉग्स बनाता हूँ। हैदराबाद में थोड़ा पॉपुलर भी हो।
अरे आपका वीडियोस में देखा मैं इंस्टा पे।
किस नाम से हो आप? मेरा नाम जितेश कुमार है।
मैं एक्चुअली रैपिडो के पेज फॉलो इसलिए करता हूँ क्योंकि उधर में कुछ मेट्रो का कॉल
रैपिडो के साथ एक कोलैब चल रहा है, चलिए ना आपको भी देखते हैं।
यूट्यूबर है ना?
तू रैपिडो वीडियो पे आज
सर ये रैपिडो की तरफ से एक गिफ्ट है सर। हाय मैम। हाँ दिन बन गया
दिन बन गया सुबह।
इसको से
We are taking pictures of those.
श्योर मैम प्लीज डू।
Yes.
मैम माय नेम इज जितेश and I'm a YouTuber.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shayandeep, tell me about myself.
Have you seen the Mr. Chatterjee versus Norway?
The movie, Rani Mukherjee movie.
की लाइफ
वही है।
बनी है वही पीछे बैठी है
अच्छा
जिसकी स्टोरी है रियल मिस्टर चटर्जी।
अच्छा
And I already have written the book, The Journey of a Mother.
The Journey of a Mother.
Yes.
वो एक्चुअल में आपकी स्टोरी है?
हाँ.
रियल लाइफ।
अरे बाप रे मैम tell us more about you मैम। I mean like मतलब I don't know your full name.
My name is Sagarika Chakraborty.
Sagarika Chakraborty.
You search in Google,
Okay.
so you can find my name as well as my book name, and also during the promotion I visited in Mumbai. So also after written my book, the movie is based on my real life story.
Okay.
And based on my book actually.
Okay.
This is all about.
So you wrote a book on your life and that's how they got to know about it and they made a film out of it.
Yeah.
Very inspiring ma'am.
And she is full-time, part-time, full-time software engineer.
Okay.
She is a full-stack developer.
Full stack developer. And what do you guys do?
So this I am doing as a also RPA what I call a software developer.
Okay.
I am working for.
He's my husband.
Uh-huh.
And Shayandeep, his name is Shayandeep. He's working.
I'm a friend of theirs, friend and neighbor. So right now, trying to figure out what to do in life.
And he is a product manager.
Very nice. I like this thought. Okay, like I'm trying to figure out what to do in life. It's okay, no? It's okay to. Yeah. लोग मतलब हमेशा जल्दी में रहते हैं कि भाई क्या कर रहा है अरे कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे यार उसमें क्या है नहीं करना अभी कुछ भी। Very nice. This is more inspiring than anything. For me.
That's why I told you give me one surprise, I will give one.
Very nice. So ma'am, everything that we saw in the film is like point to point the same or like there is some fiction
Yeah,
on it?
point but same, but somehow what was happening that everything is not to show in the movie because it's only a 2 hours 15 minutes movie na.
Yeah.
So the real life story it's much more horrific. And I am right now I am writing my second novel actually. It's a sequel. And the part 2 will be coming after that. So I am trying to might be that will be showing in the second part of the movie. So actually first part is not covering the whole
Okay.
actually. So that's all because 2 hours 15 minutes is not enough for this story.
Okay.
But it is really horrible and so much heart-wrenching.
Yeah.
I hope that you can see. Already I watched the movie actually. I don't know, but that is the actually.
Ma'am, short में एक idea दे दो ना मैम. Let's say what the. I mean, it's just a short.
The short idea is that the Norwegian child welfare abducted 2 children.
Yeah.
And after that, they are just sent to the foster care.
Yeah.
The both of the babies.
Yeah.
And there is a multiple conspirator is actually maligned with it, and as well as the hospitals, nurses and doctors and the kindergarten teachers, all are the conspirators who are just aligned with the whole Norwegian child welfare activities, actually abduction activities.
Okay.
So actually it's kind of a de jure kidnapping.
Okay.
So it's a kind of
What is it?
He's carrying so many bamboos on Activa.
Sorry.
आई एम लाइक भाई एक्टिवा को ऐसे भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. कंपनी वाला देखे तो प्रमोशन कर ले कि भाई देखो हमारे एक्टिवा के साथ क्या क्या कर सकते हो. मैम सॉरी टू कट यू, प्लीज गो.
So
Nampally Metro Station.
नहीं, easy नहीं.
एसी चाहिए आपको?
Yeah.
ठीक है, आप बता देते, पहले ही ऑन कर देता हूँ.
No, it's okay.
फैन ऑन था, एसी ऑन नहीं था बस.
Okay.
आप 2 मिनट दे दो तो आई मीन यू विल फील बेटर.
Okay.
या मैम सॉरी, प्लीज गो.
That's all. Actually, it's a kind of a de jure kidnapping. At first they are abducted the children, and after that it will be legalized.
Okay,
So
okay.
what happened that the Norwegian government is also aligned with these child welfare authorities, and every day they got the bribe. The Norwegian government that 3,500 kroner per children on that time. So right now.
This is which year, ma'am?
Huh?
This is which year?
This is 2011. That incident was happened on that time.
Okay.
Rani Mukherjee got the first national award. Only one time in her life she got only one award, national award. That is for Mr. Joseph.
Yeah.
And
I
also
think-
it's a Netflix #1 and a movie was it.
Yeah.
And it is theatrical releasing. Date is March 2023.
Okay.
So
Also in Netflix is trending #1 when it was.
I think more than anything, I mean, of course, the actors would have done justice to their part, but I think more than anything, the story was so heart touching. And I mean, like, heart touching कब बोल सकते हो? जब आप सिनेमा में हो, at that point, like, will anything feel nice to you? No. I mean, you would have had a very hurtful experience, and people made a movie and they are like, no, she has done good. I mean, I'm sure that being in that moment felt very bad to you.
yeah, it almost 3 to 4 years. Actually, I am just going through this kind of a situation, and it's horrible. And child trafficking and child smuggling kind of a thing. So
Cool, ma'am. We are sorry, like, you had to go through all that. But thanks for sharing your experience. I mean, like, I'm sure that would help some of the mothers to actually be careful about anything like that happening to them.
Actually, I have seen the
Sir.
Dhara cases, that Germany case. Dhara.
Sir.
Dhara, there is one of the that one of the family from the Gujarat.
Okay.
That people abducted.
after that cases, there are coming so many cases still now because
Yeah.
when my case was happened,
Yeah.
I am the only woman who
Yeah.
has just fought against the Norwegian child welfare.
Okay.
And after that, I have written this book. So and so many people got to know about that. How this trafficking is going on still now.
Yeah.
So I think right now it is kind of reduces in Norway, but not other the countries, foreign countries.
Yeah.
You know, because
Especially Europe.
especially Europe's
Because the child welfare law is so strong.
so stringent and very horrific. Even the foster care, foster carer is not taking care of the children, and even some foster carer are the pedophiles.
I feel like nobody else can take care of our child. I mean, irrespective of whosoever child it is,
Yes.
nobody can take better care than the mother.
Yes.
I mean, there can always be exceptions, but there are exceptions about everything. So you moved back to India and like completely now in India?
Yeah, I moved back to India in 2012, and after that, it is a long story actually. Because,
Again,
I
pending
moved-
for the second part.
Yeah.
She's like,
Came to
bhai,
Hyderabad for the book fair.
acha. Are we going somewhere related to the
No, right now just changing.
Where would be the book fair?
NTR Stadium.
Okay.
NTR Garden, NTR.
Wait.
Otherwise, you guys are based out of Bengal,
Yes.
Bangalore. But आपके roots तो बंगाल के लगते हैं.
Shayandeep and me is
Shayandeep.
Bengali.
Nice name.
Shayandeep, my friend. And my husband is, his name is Prashant Rai. And he's from Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
And we are the colleagues in our company. And after that, we got married.
How long have you been here?
Since birth, sir, I was born here. So my education and everything is here.
So work from home? Yeah, right.
Yeah, today I've taken a leave. I like meeting people. So whenever I feel like मुझे लोगों से मिलना है, I take a leave and like meet people. It's stupid.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, it's a stupid
That's why
idea.
we met. That's why.
I would say like just look at it this way that we call something called niyati, right? Yeah, I mean we were supposed to meet and we met.
Yes.
Who would expect that yaar?
Yeah,
Let's say,
we wouldn't expect it.
yeah.
And you also wouldn't expect it.
Yeah, exactly. I was like, madam would be surprised. She's like, हाँ चल हट. तेरे से ज़्यादा famous हूँ मैं. But that's nice, no? And also the feeling, for example, like you, all of us are strangers, but we are speaking as if like we are friends from long time,
Yeah.
talking,
I
laughing.
would say one thing. Whenever I meet the IT guy,
Yeah.
generally normally people very conversation very easy, right? They are not so much rigid. Okay, most
Yeah.
of the
They're accepting.
They are
maybe
very
like-
open, right?
Yeah.
Open conversation.
Ma'am, while we are writing books, how does the writer make money, ma'am? I mean, I'm just asking. कि like, for example, I've written a book. So let's say, how do I approach anybody, or like, how do things happen? I mean, like.
Actually, at first you have to finding someone that through the agent at first. What I have done previously, because I don't have any idea that how is it works. And at first I got some acquaintance, and after that reference, I am just looking, finding some literal agent.
Okay.
So after that, he is finding someone who is like a publisher.
Okay.
So he actually already have acquainted some publishers, and after that we are choosing the publisher from there.
So they print it in mass and they send it out, yeah?
Now they printed in mass, and after that that is available in Flipkart and Amazon.
Okay.
Right now I am thinking about that, just looking some better publishers, because right now my movie is already have got this national award and lots of things like Dada Shai Phalke awards and all of those things.
Mhm.
So I need someone who is working more better.
Okay, maybe who can give you more visibility?
Usually
Yes,
authors
more
get
visibility.
royalty, so like
Author
it
is-
works in PPC, like you get pay-per-view, like that, or YouTube you get pay-per-view, like
Acha.
that. Author
Similar
gets,
to that.
very similar.
So
The
every
Unity
copy
can also-
anybody purchases, I'll
they
get a certain amount.
percentage, Yes,
Okay.
yes. That varies heavily, publisher to publisher. Typically, it's around 5 to 10%.
उतना ही मिलता है?
Yeah, because those guys are taking the heavy lifting in terms of print and all of that, right? Logistics, distribution.
But I worked so hard. I have written my story.
Yeah, that's the reason people are directly publishing in Amazon these days, and they are omitting it.
Kindle.
Like
Kindle
Kindle,
version.
Audible,
Yeah.
all
So
of that.
that's why I'm just trying right now.
If you go
And
to the
also-
print channel, like web B2C versus D2C, right? You are directly reaching, so you are cutting all these middlemen, and you are making more margin out of it.
So let's say these these publishers, they help us even. I mean, like, do some promotions for this thing. Do they arrange for it?
They do help in the GTM distribution in the entire supply chain, but they take the major margin, right? So typically,
largest stake is theirs.
Yes,
They will
so-
say that, bhai, ye hamara.
if you directly go in Amazon and do a print as well, that's
Yeah.
also a provision, and then you get a 60% margin. If
Yeah.
you go digitally, you get 70% margin.
What?
Same like farmers and retailers, right? So all the middlemen, wholesalers, everybody takes the margin, and farmer also.
मुझे पता चला कि भाई मैंने एक बुक लिखा है.
Yeah.
मैं उससे अमीर नहीं हुआ, लेकिन बाकी सारे अमीर हुए. How is
वही
it
तो-
making sense?
वही तो
वही होगा.
वही
Yes.
Hopefully, ma'am. Hopefully, your second book will be more this thing. And I mean, my whole point is, let's say hero of the story should actually get rewarded, right?
Yeah.
And you are the hero here. So how do you manage being a engineer and again like doing all of this?
Yeah, actually मुझे लगता है कि देखो ये मेरा इंजीनियरिंग मेरा प्रोफेशन है और ये मेरा हॉबीज है।
Okay.
तो मुझे लगता है कि लोगों का सिर्फ एक ही डायरेक्शन में नहीं चलना है। तो लोग अगर सच में कुछ इनोवेटिव कुछ करना चाहते हैं, उसका स्किल को सही तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना चाहते हैं, तो वो कर सकते हैं। सो वो मैं वही सोचा कि मेरे साथ जो चीज़ हुआ है वो पूरा वर्ल्ड का लोग है, जितने सारे बाहर का जो भी लोग हैं उसको भी उतना अच्छे से पता नहीं था। धीरे धीरे चीज़ों को पता चल गया, क्योंकि हमारे जो केस हुआ था उस टाइम में प्रेसिडेंट हेल्प किया था, मनमोहन सिंह था प्राइम मिनिस्टर, मेरे मम्मी पापा प्राइम मिनिस्टर के साथ मिला, प्रेसिडेंट के साथ मिला, बहुत बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था दिल्ली में।
उसमें सुषमा स्वराज जिंदा थी, उसने
हाँ।
काफी
And she was good, I think. I mean, in terms of giving response.
पॉलिसी बेस्ट अपनी फॉरेन मिनिस्टर टाइम हुई थी।
जी जी।
फ्यूचर में जो भी मेरा कोशिश है कि सिर्फ सेकंड बुक तो पब्लिश होगी, और दूसरी बात है कि मैं इसको एक ही जगह में स्टक एक ही जगह में स्टक होने नहीं दूंगी। मैं फिर से किताब लिखूंगी, और मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छा लगता है।
Maybe giving value to our passions and like working
Yes.
on that.
Yes,
Trying to make our passions our profession somewhere.
Yes, and you should fulfill your own desire and all of those things, and what you have just wanted.
Tell us about how was it going to office? Like whom did you meet? I mean, we hear a lot of bigger names, but how does it feel meeting them? Like
I met Rani Mukherjee and lots of people's film fraternity. And,
Aditya Chopra.
Not Aditya Chopra, but there are other film fraternities like Shatrughan Sinha
Acha.
and Mahima Chaudhary,
Acha.
and also Amitabh Bachchan granddaughter.
नंदा आई थी।
Sorry.
Nanda, yeah.
Yeah, I got the several awards like PVLF and got award from the UK Parliament,
Did you get an award from United Nations?
United Nations as well, and 3 to 4 awards I already have got.
Very
So,
nice, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
the
nice.
most inspiring woman as well. So
You are an inspiring woman. You know that, right?
No, that's a
yeah.
that is the award actually.
Could be, but you are actually a very inspiring woman.
Thank you.
I mean, like हम लोग कार में बैठ के इस चीज़ के बारे में हंस रहे हैं, but I'm just thinking about the scenarios that you have faced. But lovely meeting you guys.
Thank you.
you.